But I think the biggest number two thing that you can do is remind yourself that worrying doesn't do any good anyway. It really doesn't. If worrying could help you, then go ahead and do it. But if it really can't, she's like, my grandmother says, I'm not going to worry about the 99 things that I worried about that never actually came about.
Right.
You know,
Right.
I love this quote by Corrie ten Boom. She says, worrying does not empty tomorrow of its troubles. It empties today of its strength.
Wow.
I'm going to
That's
say it
powerful.
again.
Yeah.
Worry does not empty tomorrow of its trouble. It empties today of its strength. So you just have to remind yourself that it's not going to make any difference anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
And live.
I would say the one thing I try to remind myself of is that you have to remind yourself that God takes care of the birds. How much more is he going to take care of you, and how much more valuable you are? In Luke chapter 12, he says, consider the ravens. They don't sow or reap, and they don't have a storeroom or a barn, but God feeds them. How much more valuable are you than the birds? And then he says, who of you by worrying can add a single hour to your life? A single hour. If you worry, if I just said, oh my gosh, I'm going to worry, like you just said, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to die young. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
By you worrying about it, can you add even one single hour to your life?